Conditional statements. Conditional statements are useful for writing decision-making logics. It is most important feature of many programming languages, including PHP. These control statements used to alter the control flow of the program. They are implemented by the following types in PHP: if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and switch statement. If statement in PHP. This is the syntax for if statement. If the condition is true, the set of statements will be executed if the condition is true. If the condition is false, the control will move to other part of the program. This is the flowchart for the if statement. If the condition is true, set of statements, otherwise it will go other part of the statements in the program. This is a simple example for if statement. Pass mark is 35 and student gets the mark 70. If student's mark is greater than or equal to pass mark, then the student is eligible for promotion. So here the condition is true, so the output will be the student is eligible for the promotion. If else statement in PHP. Here the condition will be tested. If the condition is true, this block of statement will be executed. If the condition is false, another set of statements will be executed and it will continue in the program. This is the syntax. If the condition is true, the set of statements will be executed. Else, another set of statements will be executed. Let us see an example. Pass mark is 35. Student gets 70. If the student mark is greater than or equal to pass mark, we can say the student is eligible for the promotion. Else, we have to display the student is not eligible for the promotion. Here the student mark is 70, so the output will be the student is eligible for the promotion. If it is below 35, we have to display the student is not eligible for promotion. If else statement in PHP. Here a set of if else statement will be executed. It is like embedded if else. The syntax: if the first condition is true, this set of statement will be executed. If the condition is fail, another condition will be checked with if, that is else if. If that is true, another set of statement will be executed. If that second condition also false, we have to execute another set of statements. It's like embedding if within another if else. Let us see the flowchart. If the condition is true, a set of statements will be executed, that is the body of the if. If the condition is false, another if condition will be checked. If it is true, another set of statements will be executed. Even that if also becomes false, another set of statements will be executed. It will go on like that. Let us see an example. The pass mark is 35, first class is 60, but the student mark is 70. If the student marks is greater than or equal to first class, that is 60, we have to display the student is eligible for the promotion with first class. Else, we have to check with another condition. Student mark is greater than or equal to pass mark. If it is greater than or equal to pass mark, that is 35, we have to display the student is eligible for promotion. Otherwise, the student is not eligible for promotion. So here we have else within another if. Like that, if else can be embedded within another. Switch case statement in PHP. This is the syntax for switch case. Switch n based on the input n. If the case is label 1, a set of statement will be executed, and break statement. If the case is label 2, another set of statement will be executed and break. If the case is label 3, another set of statement will be executed, then break. It will go on like that. The last statement will be having default. If default means if any of the options are not available here, the default statement and the default will be executed. The switch block will be within the curly braces. Let us see an example. Favorite color is red. If the favorite color case red, we have to display your favorite color is red. Break. In the case of blue, you have to display your favorite color is blue. Break. In the case of green, your favorite color is green. Break. If none of the inputs are here, the default will be your favorite color is neither red, blue nor green. It will be good like that.